Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Warcraft 2. To begin, you'll choose between the Orcish Horde or the Human Alliance, each offering distinct units and strategies. Your primary goal is to gather resources like gold, lumber, and oil to construct buildings and train a powerful army. Focus on establishing a robust economy in the early game to ensure a steady flow of resources for your expansion and military endeavors. This foundational step is crucial for success. Effective resource gathering is vital. Send your peons or peasants to gold mines and forests to collect gold and lumber. Your central hub is the town hall for humans or great hall for orcs, where you can train workers and research basic upgrades. Remember to build farms. Each farm supports up to 8 units, allowing you to expand your population and create a larger, more formidable fighting force. Strategic placement of these buildings is also important. Once your economy is stable, it's time to train your army. Construct barracks, stables, and other specialized structures to produce a diverse range of units. Combine different unit types, such as melee footmen and ranged archers, to create a balanced force capable of handling various threats. During combat, utilize tactical formations and your unit's unique abilities to outmaneuver and overwhelm your opponents, securing crucial victories on the battlefield. To gain an edge, research upgrades at buildings like the blacksmith or lumber mill, enhancing your unit's armor and attack power. Map control is paramount. Secure additional gold mines and oil patches to deny resources to your enemy and bolster your own economy. Ultimately, victory is achieved by systematically destroying all enemy buildings and units. Plan your assaults carefully and adapt your strategy to overcome any challenges you face.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.